Hello, welcome back to our step 10. We open our file. Within this step, we'll show you the full power of dimensions and how you can improve your working speed by using those tools. If we look now on the left side in our project browser, we see here we have duplicated some levels. If you click on level 3, you see this level has different graphic styles than the one which was shown before. Click on level 3 with color scheme, and you see all of those views are referenced to each other with just some different visual styles. Now we want to duplicate the view again to create a new graphic style. So we select here level 3 with rooms. Right mouse click, duplicate view, duplicate with detailing. We rename it to level 3 with rooms and dimensions. Now we are ready to place our first dimensions. We switch into the Annotate tab. We select our dimension panel and pull it in our drawing area. We can use now the Align tool. We click on the first grid line and on the last one, and here we get the dimension automatically. If we want to add some more dimensions, we just click on the other grid lines. And now we click somewhere else, and our dimensions are finished. We can click Escape. Now we change some references. Select our dimensions. If we zoom in, you see here we have now different dimensions. If you want to add or remove dimensions, we select our dimensions, and in our contextual tab we click on Edit Witness Lines, add the dimension of our staircase. So we just click there 2 times. And now we have to click somewhere else. Now we like to show you a different possibility to use aligned dimensions. We select in our dimension panel aligned, move over our intersections, and with the tab button we click on the intersection point. Repeat this over here, and now we have the dimensions of 2 reference points. The next step will be that we will add some radial dimensions. We click in our dimensions radial and select our fillet arc, and we will repeat this over here. And the only thing which is missing now are some spot elevations. So we select spot elevation, check if we have leader and shoulder demarked, and place it somewhere in our room. And you see here, Revit automatically gives us here the height of all floor. If you are not satisfied with the graphic style of your dimensions, you can change it at any time. You just have to click the rollout, and you can make here several adjustments. So we zoom out a little bit, use the Align tool, and we have here some additional options. We select here entire wall and click on our wall. And here we have the dimension of our entire wall. Now we want to have the dimensions of our intersections. We select here intersecting grid. Then we click on our wall again. And now we want to have the dimensions of our openings, and we select openings and widths. Click again on our wall. And one more time we will return to our options, deselect openings, select intersecting walls, and now we change our properties here to wall faces, and now we have the dimensions of our wall faces. So that's really fast. All of those dimensions are linked to the elements. So if we move our wall, the dimensions automatically change. So that gives you the possibility to make changements without any extra work. With Ctrl+C we return. Before we'll show you graphic styles, we want to hide some elements. So we zoom out a little bit and we hide all of our furniture. We click on our group and use the right mouse click, select here, hide in view category. So all of our furniture is now hidden in that view. And we also like to hide our separation lines. So we select one separation line with right click here on hide in view category, and all separation lines are hidden. So now we will change our graphic styles. In our view control bar, we change the scale to 1:50, and you see all the dimensions as well as the project adapts to the scale. You can also change the detail level. We zoom in, and we see here one of our windows. We change the detail level to coarse. We see here a simplified view of our window, and if we change it to fine, you see here a detailed view of our window. If you'd like to load some more families for Revit architecture, there's the possibility to use Autodesk Seek. So if we switch in our Insert tab, you have here on the right side the possibility to look automatically for your families. It's seek.autodesk.com, and you can find here tons of windows, doors, louvers, tables, desks, etc. So that's it for our step 10, and we hope you enjoyed it, and we'll be back.